Welcome back to Engineering Mechanics, and today we talk about lecture 17, in which we focus on the internal forces for hinged beams. And hinged beams are beams that have the condition in which the moment turns to zero at the hinge. So we already talked about hinges in previous lectures, but we want to talk about them specifically in the context of internal forces. We, of course, know already that the moment is equal to zero there. So today we're going to study the particular effect of hinges and talk briefly about other connection types and talk about how they influence the internal forces and specifically the internal force diagrams. So what we're really going to do is draw an internal force diagram for a simply supported hinged beam today. That's our ultimate goal. All right, so let's talk about hinges.